Start with a slip knot and chain 11. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one, and one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Now this round onwards we'll be working only in the back loops. One back loop, single crochet in each and every stitch. This is the back loop. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Now keep repeating this round until it's around 23 inches in size. This is how it will look. And once you reach this length, weave off your yarn. Now fold your piece in half and place it like this so that it is overlapping each other, and fold it like this. It should form a S shape, and using a yarn needle sew this ends. Once you're done, twist it inside out. And you can use any button for decoration. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.